Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a wig review for Isee hair. So this video is kind of short, y'all, because this wig install is gonna be so easy. Just wait. So I'm just showing you guys what they sent over in the package, and they sent over a nice pair of lashes, which I can't wait to wear. So the wig that we are going to be wearing today is the 9x6 M cap bob wig. It's human hair, it's glueless, it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, HD lace, and it's 180% density, and the wig is in 10 inches. So I'm just showing you guys that it already has a lot of body and movement when you see it in the package. This is the lace space. You get 2 clips on the side, you get an adjustable band, and then you get a clip in the back, and then in the middle the hair is wefted. So I'm just going to start by putting my wig cap on, and then I'm going to tint the lace on the wig so that it can match my skin tone perfectly. Now I'm going to put the wig on. I did do the band like halfway so that it can be nice and snug to my head. So I'm just fitting it on and just trying it on. Next, I'm putting the wax stick on my hands, and then I'm just going to smooth that over the wig. And then I'm also going to go in with my my powder foundation so that I can like touch up the hairline a little bit more so that it can have a seamless match. Now I'm using my hot comb to smooth that middle section out. Now I'm going to go over the hair all over, and I'm just like pulling out random sections, and I'm just trying to make sure that it's smooth all over, getting rid of any bumps or anything that I may see until it's like really smooth all over. So I'm just going to flat iron it, and I don't really have a method for it. I'm just pulling out the pieces that I feel need to be flat ironed. Okay, once my hair is all flat ironed, I'm just gonna do the final little touches. I think I added a little bit more of the wax stick to it, and then I'm just brushing it out and smoothing it out and make sure it's where I want it to be. One thing I do like about this wig is the length is 10 inches, and I love how it just sits right there at my neck area. I don't like it when they're too long. This is the perfect length. And as you can see, it's just the perfect cut as well. I didn't have to do any more cutting or anything like that. They did a really good job. It has a lot of flow to it, and it has a really nice shine to it as well. I'm going to show you guys that it is completely glueless. If you wanted to, you know, stick to your head more, you just make the band tighter, and that's about it. And then this is the back. Y'all can see it kind of looks like doll hair. Y'all know how doll hair is just so bouncy and stuff. It looks like that. So that's what the back looks like. And yeah, this was a super easy install. As you guys can see, it did not take much work at all. So it's definitely beginner friendly. You do not have to be a pro, have to know how to do wigs or anything like that. And this is a great wig for the summertime because it's getting hot, y'all. You don't want too much hair on your head. So if you like this wig or any other wig from Isee Hair, I'll have the links all below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Step on the